Hello everyone! So today's video I'm going to show you on how to cook the honey coated pork using this rump cut of pork's meat. This is actually the best part to use when you are frying pork or those dishes that require frying because it will give you that tender and juicy result. After we wash our pork and pat dry it, we have to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. It will actually help in tenderizing the meat. And then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Any kind of soy sauce you may use. I use this less sodium one, so it won't be that too salty. And add about 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Yes, not too much. And add a ground black pepper. And then we just have to mix it properly. Yes. And let's add 1 egg. It will help us to coat the pork easily with cornstarch because it will stick easily, and plus it will add volume to our fried pork later. Make sure you coat each pork properly. After we set the pork for about 30 minutes, let's coat it now with cornstarch. Just coat it evenly, one by one, like this. Make sure we coat it on all sides. Then let's heat an oil in a frying pan. Make sure that our oil is hot. Not too hot, but hot enough for frying, you know what I mean? Not too hot because we don't want this to get burnt easily. Just the right temperature. I know you know what I mean. You can actually test if it's hot enough for frying, when there's a little bit of smoke coming out, but not those burnt smoke, more on steam smoke. That's the best time to fry. And then let's just fry it on both sides like it's golden brown. There you go. After frying, let's move it onto a plate with a kitchen towel below to absorb the remaining oil. Meanwhile, let's do the sauce by mixing about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of honey and some more black pepper. Black pepper is nice in these sauces. If the mixture is too thick, we might add water about 2 tablespoons so that it won't get dry easily in the pan. And mix it properly. On the same pan where we fry our pork, let's fry the sesame seeds first to get that aroma. After frying the sesame seeds and it's fragrant, let's add the sauce that we made and then bring it to boil. And now we can add our fried pork, and like that we will just stir it to coat. And then we may now add our spring onions. Choose those stalk parts to a frying pan. And then we just have to coat it till the sauce gets dry. When the sauce had dried up, each pork is evenly coated with the sauce, we have to immediately transfer it into a plate, like this one. And then we may now add some more sesame seeds into it. I love sesame seeds. I'm very generous when it comes to like ingredients. And then we can now add some more spring onions as well. And there you go. Our honey-coated pork is now ready. Hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment and like and tell us your suggestions. Until the next video.